Welcome back. I'm in Bologna, and just got done driving pretty much the whole way around Italy, and the brake light has come on to tell us that the brake pads are down. We got a bunch of quotes in Spain, France. First one was like 380 euros just to do the pads. It's like a 2-hour job if you've got all the gear. Second place was like 500 euros, so we decided to buy them ourselves because we're both well versed mechanically. And we're in this car park, sort of just on the outskirts of the city. We're just going to do it ourselves. We've already done one side, and then the scissor jack that we brought from a shop called Beps collapsed. 20 euros, so like 40 NZ. You'd expect it to be pretty good. So we've gone back, got a refund. Well, they wouldn't give us a refund. They said we can have a store credit, so we just got another one. So it might cost us a scissor jack per corner. I mean, it's rated to a ton, so you'd think it would lift up one corner. It's not a Rolls Royce. It is a big car, but it should be sweet. But we're heading to Stelviopass, so we're going to be staying in the mountains over the next few days, and I'm searching for the greatest road in the world, so Stelviopass has to be one of them. There's also the Trans-Faragasan, probably butchered that pronunciation, in Romania. But yeah, we'll get stuck in and then start heading towards the mountains. Yet to find accommodation as well, but it's a big thunderstorm coming in, so see what this differential's like. Might slide around a little bit and yeah, get up there and get stuck in. It's pretty sketchy scissor jack, but do it gently. It's not ideal, but for the sake of saving at 400 euros, it's not bad. It's pretty high key. There's people coming in and out. As far as I know, I was warned by the Spaniards that it's illegal to work on your car on the side of the road, so maybe we got off on a technicality, but we can't really say that we've just changed tyre because it's pretty evident that we're working on the brakes. Keep watch out. Well, these Ferodos, they're pretty dear. Don't know if there's many BMW owners watching the channel, but they are notorious for making brake dust. That's not terrible considering that's the new side. These are the old ones. Oh, you can't sell the car's wheels under the car, but I'll show you that shortly. Oops. Oh, it doesn't have a sensor on this side. Fucking close to metal there. So you can see why we wanted to get them changed quick, smart, considering we'll be hitting Stelviopass and Nürburgring and maybe Trans-Faragasan.
Trans-Faragasan.
So there's about 4 mil on that, about 2.5 there, and this is what the new ones look like. It's closer to 20 mil, so don't know how long those will last, hopefully a long time. And we can start stomping on the brakes, brake testing the people here, because Italians love to tailgate. What's the slogan for Roto Brakes?
For Frodo and the Shire. Gandalf. For Frodo and the Shire.
Probably gonna try and adjust the handbrake as well once we're done, because it should compensate for the lack of a limited slip differential. It's about as wide open as a Bishop's front door when the schoolboys are playing, so yeah, I don't know if I want to start sliding it around. It's pretty sketchy. It's been a long time since I've tried drifting with a open diff. It's always been a Lockie. We'll do it. We'll do it.
Este quiere hacer el circuito de Mónaco y fijaos. Toma ya.
You can see here as well, performance and comfort, which is like, how do I zoom out? It's like what's the fucking thing? Performance and comfort. It's the slogan of the E60 BMW executive thing. I think we've chosen the right pads. Right. Was that like 15 minutes? Let's start on the next rears now.
Hey, I'm just looking at booking
See here.
a room on booking.com.
I can see that so much. Those subframe bushes are on their way out. We were getting a bit busy down the motorway a couple of days ago, where all the connections are along the bridges, and it starts to boogie a little bit in the rear end, so should be alright on the back country roads where there's no joins and shit like that, but a little bit concerned for Nürburgring. It's a pretty smooth circuit anyway, so we should be alright. Maybe when we get back to England I'll do those subframe bushes, see what happens, but next corner. Well, that was a quicker pit stop than a Ferrari's ever done in the last 3 years. So. Sun's out, we're a 4-hour drive to the bottom of the mountains, sort of North Italy, South Tyrol on the border of Austria. So we'll get a feed, head up there, try and bed these brakes in on the way. Right, that looks pretty familiar. Not far from where we started about 3 months ago in Tyrol, which is sort of southwest of Austria. So about 2 hours left and we'll be back in the mountains, which will be a nice treat. Haven't been over this side of Europe for feels like forever now, so can see a bit of snow up there. Start boosting up there, give the car a quick wash, and then rest up for the night. Tomorrow morning, up Stelvio. It's about a half-hour drive from where we're staying. Place we're going to has got a pool too, and it's proper cooking. So yeah, let's see what this road's like. Get out of the way! You drive like shit, you fucking took out there. That's supposed to be right after Labor Day. Right, we're like 44 minutes from the accommodation, and look at this road. Like zigzags upon zigzags. And we're miles from the goal yet. Still, look at that now. So I've felled heaps of trees too. Try and get some shots of the mountains once we get up. Might have to pull over a bit. Lost them.
What?
Oh, there they are. We'll stop for a piss, like halfway up. Some proper cards around here. You can see how narrow it is. Like this guy over here as well. He's trying to drive, but we wouldn't let him behind the wheel. Probably about 20 minutes to go. Hopefully it's wider because we want to slide around a bit. There might be a bit of snow up as well. You can see way over there we got a lot more altitude to get than that. But yeah, if you're coming up Stelviopass ways, keep your wits about you, because some of the drivers in this region have mental retardation. So we're in Santa Caterina, I think it's pronounced. Matter of hours from where the trip started in Austria last April. It's the middle of summer, pretty high up. You can see snow and glaciers and shit all around me. And got about a 50-minute drive to one of the best driving roads in the world, up and over that mountain there. So I think I'm about ready to go. I'm gonna pack the car up. Don't know where we're heading after this. Might go to Switzerland. We're sort of on the border, Switzerland, Italy and Austria, so the world's our oyster right now. So yeah, jump in the car and head up. Proper fizzing. This is a good Something I've dreamed of doing since Top Gear episode about 10 years ago, so let's see what it's like.